What's going on, everybody? I lost my intro video for the video for today, so I'm gonna redo it. And basically this video, we're doing a clutch job on my brother's FRS. So if anybody is interested in doing a clutch job on a 6-speed FRS or BRZ, probably a little choppy because I already know how to take these things apart, but we try to help out. If anybody's interested in this video, take a look at it, watch the whole video. It'll definitely help you out. If you have any questions, just reach out. I know it's been some time again as doing the videos. I have there's a couple events coming up this week, so this one's going to be posted up after this one. There should be at least a couple more coming up back to back regarding some more drag racing. Orlando's having an event and Bradenton's having an event. FL2K is coming up, so hopefully I can get some coverage out of that. So I'm probably going to go to one day in Orlando for a sport compact event. That's a makeup, and then the next following day I will go to FL2K and record some videos that. But besides that, hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know how you think. Quick update: if anybody ever wants to put a clutch in here, of course, always disconnect the negative. I have a protein bar. There's 2 plugs here, 2 starter bolts, another engine bolt there, and there's 4 in the bottom. Here's my extra drive shaft, so 4 drive shaft bolts. These 2 bolts here, slide the drive shaft back, unbolt the exhaust, and also over here. The transmission mount has 4, and then 2 right there holding it up. I'm sure you guys can see those 4. So we're going to attempt to just slide it back if we get some room. Also, there is the reverse lockout, so you need to get that pin out and the shifter out. So
next time, we're not gonna be able to do that.
Yeah, no. All right, it's out. Here's the stock clutch. So we didn't take the transmission out all the way because we can't. Well, we could, but we didn't take the cat out. Those bolts down there are rusty, so be mindful that they started spinning, but I didn't feel like they were coming loose, so they're probably gonna break off. So we left it. We just took the transmission back enough and took the clutch out from up top, and that did the job. So we're not going to change the flywheel or anything like that, so it should be a lot easier. It's letting the clutch down. Here's the old one. It's got down to that nipple right there, so it was getting there pretty close. Well, you can see here, those are pretty bad, so it was time. Here's the new one. Where's the disc for this one? Oh, there's the disc right there.
The same disc.
Yeah, looks good. Yeah. Probably the disc is probably the same.
No, yeah, the disc is the same. It's
Yeah.
just a pressure plate. So
Yeah, pressure plate probably a little stronger. So, all right. Now we're gonna reverse everything. Put everything back on. Us fellow peeps that want to put a clutch on this thing. It was a pain to put the transmission back on. So just a pro tip, even though we're not pros, the engine was leaning way too forward once you take the transmission off. So you have to try to lean it back so it slides in. It's really, that was the issue. It was really hard to get in because the engine was leaning so much forward. So basically we just try to push it up, have somebody help, and then have somebody push the transmission in. But besides that, it's all put back together. We'll do a test drive soon. A couple more things, put this in. He's doing all the bolts down there, then the drive shaft, then the exhaust. Drive shaft, exhaust. That's it?
yeah, that's it.
Okay.
And put oil.
Oh yeah, put oil. Yeah, don't forget that part. Don't forget your oil. Okay. So quick update, guys. What are we doing? Oil and transmission. Almost done that. It's kind of dark, but let me put a light in here. And then we're gonna finish the center console. Get all that put in, and then test drive it. Huh? Put the ground on, ground. Is the starter all the way on? Huh? What'd you say? That's what I was saying. I was trying to adjust. Alright. Alright, go check it. hear anything.
Right.
It's quiet.
I think on exhaust, like
Oh, probably. Yeah, yeah. But she's good.